Now, in this monsoon, you'll find that it's really moist and it's hot also. So we have hot, heat and moist, and it really plays really truant with our skin. And you will find that you will be getting heat rash. Quite often you get heat rash not only on the forehead, but sometimes on your face, your neck. You can also get it on your chest, your back, anywhere. So wherever you have this heat rash on any of the affected areas, you can apply coconut water, which is really very good. Coconut water, we're going to give you a pack. Coconut water, say 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut water. Okay, and then take a little detoxifying mineral pack. Okay, this is a mud pack, mineral mud pack. Detoxifying, take about a teaspoon of that, and make it into a paste. Now you will find this pack also has sandalwood in it, which is very, very cooling and wonderful for the skin. It has different types of mud which detoxifies the skin and also cools the skin. And you'll find, so make it into a nice liquid paste like that, and then apply it on whichever affected area. On your face, you can apply it on your chest, your back, any area. Wait for 20 minutes and then rinse it out. You're going to find that this is going to get rid of that rash. In fact, straight away. It gives you a lot of relief.